beauty inside everybody. It doesn't necessarily need to be physical.
Different is just well different.
That you can find there are things about you that you didn't know were originally there.
If they knew just how dearly I would love to
That's kind of special, that you can unlock something inside of you that you didn't know was there before.
'Cause when you hear that dibble dabble, you're proud to say, hey, that's my rebel, and watch their maiden voyage out from the bay. Like champagne corks, you see them bobbing, accompanied by mother sobbing, relieved they speak to nature, nobody say.
I'm playing Ida, who is the Ugly Duckling's mother, and everyone in the duckyard doesn't like Ugly, and because they think he doesn't fit in.
Look at him.
Are you sure he's really one of us?
But from the very beginning, I have always loved him.
Paddling must keep paddling, leave the rivers just keep paddling, leave your lovers will see me. Dreaming and home. Like this? That's the way.
When he goes missing, I go off to find him, and I'm really the one who believes in him the whole time.
Every time I turn around, I expect you to appear. Everyone may call my name, but it's your voice that I hear.
It's really something for like the whole family.
Every moment that you're gone is a moment dark and gray. Every tear a mother cries is a dream that's washed away. Get away from me! I want all of you.
It was so fun to work for a sport. I actually never got bored. It was just so fun to work with. The cast was amazing. I think the show is going to be great, and I'm so excited for it to open.
They're delicious, and I just can't let it go.
Well, it's a very witty script. It's got very entertaining production numbers. The characters are great. It's just really a gem of a musical.
You can play with food before you eat it. You can chew your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So don't let me play with you.
I'm playing Beaky, one of the ducklings. It was really fun. Everyone is so nice. And the director, Clare, is awesome. And everyone who helped backstage, they're all really nice.
Rickets, let's explore! Yeah! Wait. There are 1 or 2 nest rules before you paddle off. It's a poultry tale, a boat down on the farm. Come on down and don't be strangers. In our duckyard of free rangers, it's a poultry tale.
This is such a fun show because it's an amazing kids show. Any parent would enjoy it too.
I was really excited when I read it and listened to the music. I thought it would be a perfect show for our kids. And we've got an amazing array of young talent that's in this production.
I think they should come because the songs are all so fun and the dances are awesome, the costumes are awesome.